a AKASO full HD crash cam or dash cam, you want to call it. We got all of our stuff ready to go. We're installing it in a 2006 Toyota Tundra. Okay, first of all, you want to find a place you want to put it. I'm going to put it into this this jack right here. Okay, and looks like somebody borrowed my truck and broke it off. But anyways, what I want to do is I want to run the cord under this little panel right here and put it under the carpet all the way around. I hope you can see this thing. I'm just using a little GoPro, so I'm going to run around the carpet and up through here, and then the A pillar. Now remember, it's always good to start from where you're plugging it in, because I made the mistake a long time ago in an old dash cam many years ago, where I started in a position on the windshield and then tried to work my way back to where I was plugging in and wound up not having enough cord. So that was a pretty ugly thing, and I got pissed off, and when I get pissed off, it's not nice. So anyways, so I recommend starting from here where you're going to be plugging it in, okay, and then working from there. Okay, so I took the kick panel off. That'll loosen the threshold plate here. And I'm going to go up like this. And behind this panel right here, I'm going to stuff it in there. All the way up. And I'm going to go around here. So that's going to be a little difficult squeeze right there. I might have to take this guy off. So we'll see. I'm not sure. See, I had to take the kick panel off, and now I'm working the wire upward this way. And I'm going to stuff it in here. Have to take a second here to. I need both hands, so give me a minute here, guys. Alright, you always want to make sure you clean your window really good where you're going to put it. Otherwise it may not stick well. So I'm going to clean the window up really good here. I'm going to have mine hanging like that. That's what she said. Ha ha ha. So let's see how she goes. Sticker right here. Really, really hard. Push down really, really hard. And then you're good to go there. Now we're gonna hook up the camera. I've already set my camera up the way I wanted it. The instructions are pretty simple. You have a full, on the back here you have your screen. You have your, let me do this. You got your power button right here. I already charged it up. And it's pretty much ready to go. You know, you have your menu selection on this button, up, down, and then you select, you push your menu, you can scroll through the scroll through your selections, like resolutions. You push OK. I've got mine already set for 1080p. That's the default setting. I like 1080p. So I'm not going to mess with these. So I'm going to exit the menu system. Okay, and turn it off, and then I'm going to put it on the mount right now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to plug in my wire. And then I'm going to just slip it right in the little notch here. Supposed to slip right in that little notch. Maybe I have it backwards. Let's see. Nope. I don't think so. I did. So I'm going to turn on the truck. And I'm going to see if the power works. Make sure I didn't break the wire anywhere. Okay, it's coming on. So I'm going to align it the way I want it. I just want it straight down the hood. I'm going to show a little bit of the hood. And it's a pretty wide angle thing. So, and you just lock it down by turning the screw right here. You don't want to over tighten it because you can crack these things, and these things break very easily. Okay, and you can see right here the red dots flashing, and I have a time counter is showing the how much time's clicked off so far. I have it set up for 5-minute loops, 5 minutes segments. I like my file sizes bigger. And I set up the time and the date and all that stuff. So, okay. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Nothing big deal or anything. So, appreciate you guys watching, and like and subscribe if you could be so kind to do so. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye now.